We have a really special Corvette. This is a 1966 Coupe, obviously, and it's finished in its original Laguna Blue. It's a rare one-year-only color. It has number matched drivetrain throughout. It's a 327 4-speed with a posi. Factory air conditioning, which is working. Factory leather upholstery, which is glove soft. Beautiful knockoff wheels, side pipes. It sounds amazing. Go to volocars.com. You'll find over 200 classic cars. Each one is for sale. You'll find a price tag and a monthly payment, including on this one right here. Scan the QR code on your screen at any time, and it'll bring you right to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I really like this car, this color. Just looks beautiful, and you just don't see them. I get red, I get silver, I get black. I don't ever get this color. And it presents very nicely. The headlight buckets fit real well. They open and close without a problem. The hood sits in there nice and square. This is all straight. All this is looking nice and clean. It's smooth around all the wheel wells, all looking nice. Now the door has to fit all the way up into the roof line, and this one lines up spot on. Opens and closes easily. Jambs are real nice. Now the coupe is really desirable. It has this rib down the roof, and then you have this boat tail design. It's more desirable than the convertible because most people think it looks better, and they made less of them. And again, all of this is in excellent shape, all looking really sharp, looking good. The Laguna Blue paint has a metallic that's all laid out real nicely and polished to a glass finish. And you just look at the reflection of my hand. All this is clean. This door fits just as nice as the other side. The pillars are real nice. All this is looking real good. There is one hairline crack right off the corner here by the headlight door. It's the only one I found in the car. It just shows real nicely. And part of the reason it shows so well, oh, here's another hairline crack right here, is the trim is replaced. It's sparkling. The emblems, the cross flags, the bumper, the grille, the bezels on the turn signals are all sparkling. The cross flags, the stainless trim is all straight and shiny. Now the windshield is really clear, and I believe it's the original windshield. It has the original marking here. If that's true, that would indicate a very low mile, well-maintained car. It shows, I think, about 33,000 miles. We'll look at that when we get in there. This rubber gasket's replaced. The door handles bright and shiny. This is shiny. Back then, air conditioning in a car was so special, they even advertised it on the window. This would be a sticker you would have got back then for an air-conditioned car. Most homes didn't have air conditioning, let alone a sports car. The gas door, tail lights, bumpers, all of that looks fresh. We just replaced the power antenna. That's an option, and it works because it's new. We just spent over $500 getting that going. We also just bought brand new knockoff wheels. I love this car so much. Well, let's bring it to the next level. We put the knockoffs on there. They're wrapped in some real nice Firestone tires, and it has the side exhaust system that sounds great when you're shifting those gears. Sounds great. These even have little plastic protectors here on the both sides. I've never seen that before. A little rock protector. It has the bow tie mirror. So what a good looking car. Let's get inside and check it out. Well, there's no trunk to open for you, but just take a second and admire that beautiful color and that beautiful design. And then when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. The weather strips were replaced. Sill plates look like new. The interior is in excellent shape. Door panels are mint. All the chrome handles and knobs are sparkling. I mean, it's really nice in here. So the whole instrument panel, all the knobs, the bezels, everything looks great. All the gauges are functioning. Well, it shows 23,000 miles. The dash pads, they look like brand new, both sides. All the metal trim, all looking great. Glove box door is brand new. Has the factory air conditioning, ductwork, the interior light works. The carpet front to back is all fresh and installed very nicely, embroidered mats. And we have the factory air conditioning controls, quartz movement in the clock. They did put a retro stereo in here, so nothing is cut or altered. It fits right in place. And then the console looks to be new, and it has the correct reverse lockout shifter. Nice seat belts, leather center cushion, and leather seats. I love these seats. They got nice firm cushion, and that is genuine soft leather, and this car was born that way. The tag calls for a black leather interior. Back of the seats, real nice. Looks like new as well. And everything in back. Again, the carpet all looks fresh and is installed very nicely. And then as we start looking up, all the trim looks great. The dome light works. Headliner looks new. Visors look new. The mirror looks new. Deluxe steering wheel that doesn't have a crack in it, so it's probably new because they all cracked. Even the parking brake and the hood release, everything's looking sharp. The pedals look new. Very, very nice interior. You can bang that 4-speed around, and you got nice leather seats and air conditioning. You'll be cool enough cruising around in this car. So that is the original VIN number matching 327, making 300 horsepower. It has stock manifolds on it. It does have an upgraded carb with an electric choke, open element air cleaner, finned aluminum valve covers, and just overall it's just been maintained. It has a new clutch fan. Looks like a new AC compressor, and it's been updated with the newer Freon. So just a well-maintained engine compartment with factory air and number matched 327, 300 horsepower motor. Michael's going to go take you for a ride. We'll see you in a few minutes.
I tell you, there's nothing better than hearing those side pipes. It's so exciting, so much fun. Makes you just want to pop in the clutch and just do it again. And we're doing 60 miles an hour. It's that easy. Really nice running engine. Shift from one gear to the next easily. Leather interior is feeling amazing. Not much left to do besides push the buy now button so we can deliver it to your driveway. Contact our sales team with any questions.
So underneath the car is like the motor compartment. It's just clean. It's been maintained as needed. The frame is all solid, smooth metal. It's not flaky and rusty. The fiberglass floors all look good. Still has the fiberglass spare tire carrier in back. This is 4-wheel independent suspension. 4-wheel disc brakes. E-brake is all hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's clean. The starter looks proper. Now the 4-speed is the Muncie 4-speed. It is original, also VIN number matching to this car. And then in back it has the original 336 posi rear end with the right code and the dates that line up for this car. Also, one other fun fact, this is the 398th Corvette built in 1966. This was built on the 4th day of production, so a very early 1966 Corvette. Color, air, leather, wheels, pipes, number matching. You got a winner here, folks. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, like how to get your Corvette delivered home. If you need financing, shipping, whatever, or insurance, whatever it may be, they can help. Thanks for watching.